Alright, hey guys, so I have a passion flower here and I'm taking my Q-tip to try to germinate it. So I'm rubbing underneath here and you can see what's happening here. Let's see. I got some pollen. So I'm going to take the pollen here, just sort of rub it on these guys so that it mixes in. It's like, alright, let's see how that goes. You can see now that it's got some of the pollen is on all of these guys up here. Well, we shall see if it germinates. I was watching some videos on YouTube and it was showing me how to do it. Just trying to be super careful here. Don't want to ruin the flower. It is very I don't know, it's brittle. Let me say that. There we go. Lots on that one. And hopefully if this works properly, sorry guys, the cameras are like all over the place. If this works properly here, then you're gonna notice I have some fruit starting, which is good. So I have one more up here. This one is a little harder to see, but you can do it. Alright, there's one. There we go. There's two. This one has a lot of pollen on it, as you can see. Alright, awesome. Alright, wish me luck.